to him? Oh, that sounds terrible. Gretchen. Gretchen. What are you saying to the fish? Is she trying to take a shit or is she talking to the fish?
Talking to the fish.
I don't know about that.
She's talking to fish.
I hear some like straining in there. She already crapped twice today though. I think she'd be done by now. Gretchen.